equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. In this tutorial, we will address the common issue of a broken gear in the Conga Z100 vacuum cleaner. This problem can render your device unusable, but with the right tools and guidance, you can tackle this repair yourself. First, let's gather the necessary tools. You will need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a pair of pliers, and some cleaning cloths. It's also advisable to have a small container to keep your screws organized. Begin by unplugging the vacuum cleaner and ensuring it is completely powered off. Safety first. Next, locate the screws on the bottom of the device. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove these screws and place them in your container. Once the screws are out, gently lift the bottom cover off. You may need to use your flathead screwdriver to pry it open if it's stuck. Be cautious not to damage any clips or connectors. With the cover removed, you will have access to the internal components. Now, inspect the gear mechanism. If you notice any broken or worn-out gears, this is likely the source of your problem. Take a moment to clean the area with a cloth to remove any dust or debris that may have accumulated. A clean workspace is essential for a successful repair. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Our team can assess the issue for you. Next, if you have identified the broken gear, you will need to replace it. Check if you have a compatible replacement gear. If not, you can find one online or at a local hardware store. Make sure to get the correct size and type to ensure proper functionality. Once you have the new gear, carefully install it by aligning it with the existing components. Use your pliers to secure any clips or connectors that may have come loose during disassembly. After the new gear is in place, it's time to reassemble the vacuum cleaner. Place the bottom cover back on and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Ensure everything is tightly fastened to avoid any rattling during operation. Before you plug it back in, give the entire unit a final wipe down. This not only improves the appearance but also ensures that no dust gets into the internal components. If you prefer not to handle this yourself, we also offer pickup and delivery at your home. No calls, no travel, just a simple, convenient service. Finally, plug in your Conga Z100 and test it out. If it runs smoothly, congratulations! You've successfully repaired your vacuum cleaner. If you encounter any issues, remember that we provide a quote before repair, so you'll know exactly what to expect. Thank you for following along with this tutorial. Happy cleaning! Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.